If me, Lovell, and Angel at sea, and me only can save one person, who would I save?
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Guys, don't forget to like up the videos, comment more than one time, and turn on that post notification bell. It's important, guys, so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Today I'm here with Jason White from Razorblade TV Vlogs, Razorblade Family, and when we see all of the name them, once you check out Razorblade TV Vlogs, you'll see all the channels listed below. And I'm here with Lovell from the Boucher family and Lovell and Lucy. So I'm gonna leave the link to their channels in my description box, and I'm also gonna pin it in my comment section. So now go over there, check them out, and give them a support. So today we will be playing, what the game name be?
Who knows me better?
Who knows me better, but I know me, I Jason. So I'm gonna see if out of me, his fiance, or his sister, we're gonna see who know him better. So Jason gonna ask the questions, and how we gonna do it now?
You're gonna win because
no, you're
Jason
gonna win because
probably-
of your sister, your brother.
you are gonna win because you and him live together longer.
But your brother.
That I mean.
No,
and
your
live
brother,
together
you're-
again,
but
so
you're
they know
still
certain
close,
qualities
even
or
though-
certain things.
Even though we live together, we're not close.
But him can lose the love curry chicken, but he not love you again.
That's why I'm gonna ask the question them wisely.
Okay.
So you know, say if in the past 4 years or 7 years they change something, nobody ask you, because Lovell not gonna know, me I gonna know. So you're gonna do it fair and square. So we're gonna do who knows me better, but it's gonna be Jason asks us.
Okay.
Am I an introvert or extrovert?
Introvert. Wait a
You know what I mean?
Yes, but we don't know. We don't know what we're trying.
Okay. Am I?
Introvert.
Your personality, I don't know.
Yeah. When me think about the answer, me think say it kinda 50-50.
Yeah, 50-50. Your personality kind of fluctuates.
But
I would say introvert though.
yeah. Alright. Speaking of being an introvert, what type of person am I? The most convincing answer with anybody?
Baby, have you thought? Yeah.
Alright. What type of person am I? The most convincing answer will win.
Mega's a hardworking.
Oh, okay.
You can't have to be one
You can just be
together.
specific,
You can say stuff.
Alright. You're funny, you're a outgoing type of person, but at the same time you're serious, and when it comes down to serious business, you have to go to that business thing. You go serious, especially when it comes down to your work. You will joke around and stuff like that and make fun and joke, but when it comes down to your work, you're serious when it comes down to that.
Alright, I'm gonna tie. I tie, because I don't know. Basically, they say the same thing. Alright. What do I use my phone the most for?
Watch YouTube videos.
Right? In I'm notes. Right ideas in I'm notes. And
But
you
when
better even if you think about
But
that
I
because
say
you
YouTube
know.
videos because Jason come up here one time and Jason did me battery to one to watch YouTube.
But me I tell you, Lovell, just sit down and write
Okay.
ideas, like video ideas a lot. Me feel like him use him notes more than anything else.
Oh, okay.
Alright, I go with the notes.
Oh,
YouTube, that probably be the second.
okay.
5 things that I care about genuinely.
Me?
Both you can still answer
No,
the
no,
other 5,
no.
right? Okay.
Then me go talk.
Alright, I'm not gonna put me up front, but me just say
No, talk.
anything.
In five, not in a order.
Okay.
Just talk.
Alright. Wait, what was that again?
5 things I care about genuinely.
I can say care about genuinely. Me? Andrew.
And you know what? Things, not people.
People,
Yeah,
things.
I'm see no dog. We see you just start doing the plan. I would not play that.
No, I never done anything about 5 person. But alright, 5 things you care about genuinely. You care about your work, where you do. Your work. Like work. General work, whether you do YouTube, anything you do, your work in general. I don't know no more. I just know say you care
Yeah,
about your
but-
work. What you do else?
Let me ask you a question. Stick a pin. You know 5 things we care about.
Let me know.
You know what? You know?
Or yeah, depend on we.
Tell me, let me realize if it
Okay,
wasn't true.
so I would say 5 things we just care about the most. Okay. Camera, number 1. Your camera. Your health. Brother, tell me 5 things we care
Come
about.
in and know.
I care about my equipment. I care about my job. I care about football. I care about listening to music. Do I have to go any further?
One more
Babe.
for that.
Things you care about.
I don't
You
think
care
so,
about listening to music.
I love music.
When genuine love.
Genuine.
Yeah. So we kind of right with one of them because you care about your
Baby, I
work.
care about listening to music.
Yeah.
Alright then, go on. That question that was really tricky, but continue.
One thing, if you heard that I did it, it would surprise you.
Stealing.
Steal.
Wow.
And first come to me.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow,
Stealing.
wow, wow. Tiebreaker, 'cause I don't want to get it. Give me one more.
Mix up.
Murder somebody.
Damn. Not be surprised?
No.
And that will just ask you. You know you do this.
Drama mix up. What makes a mix up?
No man, me
Drama.
and you answer. You win this, but I just want to know what you think. So you would surprised if me question somebody?
Not really.
Damn, why?
Not really. Probably, yeah, would I'm probably surprised that knowing you would want to
I just want to know why.
Would I just want to know why, even if you do it here.
Okay.
Okay.
Ah,
But
they
Jason,
was right.
Jason, I do mix up. Like if somebody tell me, say Jason, come on, me I say a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. A TV show that I'll never get tired of.
Will
Smith,
Smith.
Fresh
Wrong.
Prince of Bel-Air.
Right.
So no,
Will Smith is not a TV
baby,
show.
but you
babe.
hear what me say. Yeah, love it, I get it right, but that me
Will
that
Smith
say
have a
though.
whole different type
Yeah,
of TV.
but he
different
knows
style.
that me
No,
that say,
but-
but
and-
you get it right, love it.
Also, that is the only TV show. Monk used to be second, but we not
Yeah,
have
he's
Monk.
love Monk. But then
Yeah.
have Monk
Yeah,
again.
Fresh Prince made that out there.
The only TV show me get. Like watch every episode. How do you know when I am annoyed?
You're quiet and start listening to music,
Yeah,
but you're quiet.
quiet.
Alright. Let me ask a question.
You give
again.
some face expression.
Alright, let me ask a question again. What's the best indicator to know that I'm annoyed?
Your face expression and your walkway.
I still listen to you. I'm not saying my answer yet.
Okay.
I'm knowing this and I.
Can you say listen to music? I always listen to music.
You're quiet. You're just quiet.
Yes, let me say your face expression and your walkway.
Tone can. Alright, yeah, let me tell you what I got now. You will get 2 points, I get 1 point for that. Because it's tone right. But yeah, the expression thing there. How do you know when I am happy?
Your chat
Your chat
won't
won't leave.
leave. That's a yappa.
Style thing.
But I don't lie.
Same somebody when you have him in chat.
Yeah, when you're happy, you just chat. And you try to make everybody start. You try to give everybody one joke. Yeah, when you're happy, you just try to give some random joke.
Style thing.
No?
I
Just,
style one
the
thing
answer
at a
right or wrong?
Right man. Babe right, definitely. What's the first thing I'd grab if the house was on fire?
Your computer them. Like your equipment or your personal belongings.
Alright, let's say one of them.
Camera.
What do you say?
Your personal belongings like your car key and your wallet, them stuff there.
So one love it.
Why?
Would I say you would have to just grab your car key because you can live in your car key. You can live in your car.
Me just say camera, me
Yeah.
and
car.
wait, let me go again. Let me say 2 things.
Alright.
Your wallet and your camera.
Yeah,
I'm gonna
that's
say your wallet first.
Your wallet, yeah, like your personal belongings,
Alright.
ID, them stuff there.
Alright, you wanna right, but don't make me there think about what I actually grab. Let's say wallet because you remind me. But it have to be my camera.
Me take seriously? What me tell you videos.
I hold it first and then the camera. I have to take up my camera first.
But
After
look at
that,
that.
you not take up your wallet. When
No,
you
but
go
say
say,
my wallet
have your
first.
ID and your
My
stuff.
my wallet first and
And
then
your
the camera
credit
after.
card and something.
No, my
only
wallet
reason-
everything on that.
Mind you, the only reason why Jason gonna take up his wallet first because me just put it in my head. I gave him an idea.
No, you remind me that you need to take up your because
Personal
no.
stuff, them-
Let me tell you why me even jump for it. If me feel lose like my ID, you know, long
that
into
takes-
thing.
exactly.
And, you know.
Yeah, but your camera though.
But my camera, no, there's a reason I'm gonna take up my camera.
Yeah, I know.
If someone gave me $1 million, what would be the first thing I'd spend on it?
Wow.
Camera.
Equipment. No,
Wow.
you really look bad this way with every
Camera
question.
equipment.
Actually, I lead to camera.
Trust me.
Tea or juice?
Tea. Think I love the first say it.
Alright. Easiest way to piss me off. The easiest way.
Come tea and tell the people business.
Yeah, but that's that too.
Alright. A week by myself or 3 days.
A week by yourself. Don't even continue. A week by yourself.
That one really.
No way after that don't matter unless you're gonna say something longer than a week by yourself.
Wow. You guys know me a lot. Last question. If me, Anja, and Lovell out at sea, who would I...
No, Lucy, you can't ask
Hold on. Lucy, more you listen to this story, because more you listen to them two people aside of me. If me, Lovell, and Anja at sea, and me only can save one person, who would I save?
You don't save Andra because Andra can.
That's him that save you.
When would I save me?
Never save me!
Yes! No, but he never said, oh, he would have saved other
You know,
than himself.
if-
He
if
never
we-
said that question.
I
Who
did-
you that save other than yourself?
That answer depends on what's going on in the situation. Let's say you have a piece of board lined up on a level and have no board. You have to save Lovell. Or let's say...
Alright, the worst case scenario, we don't have nothing. It's one week.
And we don't have to see.
He would have saved me.
I'll share with that, Joe. No, but
Babe, don't be silly.
I only can
Yeah,
seem
the
to
opposite.
save myself.
Yeah, but what if you're in a position where you can save one away, babe?
When I do a smart thing then.
Which is saving somebody where you can have kids and
No, but that's a-
Yes. No. You save who you can save. Yeah, shit,
What
like
if
it.
both are we in the same position?
Never gonna happen. I
Babe,
mean,
who
again,
would
this-
suggest you save your sister?
I know
Me
what you
not
suggest. I
feel
never
that
save
way.
who me can save. The person who
you
me
know
can
why
save.
Angel tried to say that? Because if it's the worst case scenario, our mother and you understand save our mother. So me.
No. You see when me answer question, I don't answer based on where a person I go say if me in a situation. I don't do that. Me answer you based on fairness. If we three of them can save one other than me go save the person who me actually can save. Cause enough time situation happen. You think say it gonna be safe, me go see love earlier so. If me see you right just side of me, I'm going to swim past you because you're there, so. But let's say, you enjoy the way out of work because she's going to say, babe, me can't swim, none of that, me can't move. And you're there right, this a fight. I'm going to say, all the things said, if me go past you, me have to end up there too. I have to save who me can save. You can't fight me for that.
Question, support if the other person can swim, you can save the person who can swim. Angel, you can swim.
No, if, let's say she,
If you're the one.
you can swim?
No, not even one.
You see, that's why I try to show you the situation set away. Look, you know, just like what Lovell said, I could run that scenario.
Yeah.
Let's say you don't save Miss Desiree for real. So, you know what I know? Let's say I'm Miss Desiree.
yeah.
Bro, let's look on this side. Let's say I'm the 200 meter. I remember you can't swim, you know. And Miss Desiree the 1000 meter out. You don't swim past me if you say Miss Desiree. If you only can save one. Because if you swim, look on it, you know, if you swim past me, if you only can save one, younger means say if you pass me, one and we go. All we going.
Go die, yeah.
So if you pass me, it's assured every cheer away. You might as well not bother come out there and save yourself. But if me out there still, I have to save me, babe. This is not, we have something name. That's sure the long time.
Long
Tell the
time.
title, babe.
I would save him,
I'll
babe.
run on the water top.
It all depends on who me can save.
It's as that, me I say.
Yeah, true. Makes sense.
Me want to try to catch me on my own question.
Babe, me know you that give me a smart answer.
Oh, you know me?
Yes.
So who knows me better, guys? Comment below who got the most right and who are the most reasonable answers.